Hello friends, I am Sowbhagya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll talk about my diet plan that I have used during my weight loss journey, using which I have lost about 10 kgs. So I have tried and tested this diet on myself, and that's why I'm suggesting this to you. And I believe if you follow this diet, you can lose somewhere between 10 to 15 kgs easily, along with lots of inch loss. So many of my friends and relatives have asked me to share my diet plan as they are struggling to lose weight. So let's begin our day with cinnamon honey drink. So you'll find the link in the description box below with the recipe of cinnamon honey drink, how to prepare it. So you will take this early in the morning as soon as you wake up without brushing. All the instructions are in the video, so the link is down below. Do check it out. So I usually wake up somewhere between 6 to 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and that depends how my day is. On weekend I wake up little late, somewhere between 7:30 to 8, and that's when I have this drink. So plan your day accordingly, and as soon as you wake up, before brushing your teeth, straight away have this drink, and that's when you will get the maximum benefit out of it. So moving on to the meal number 1, which is the breakfast. For breakfast, we are making besan chila, which is chickpea flour pancake. Here is the link. So breakfast is the very important meal of the day, and this should be heavy. It should be done within 1 hour of waking up. So ideally between 7:30 to 8:30. For me, because I wake up by 6:30 or so. So the breakfast should comprise of all the nutrients like carb, protein, fiber, healthy fats. Make sure you are taking the breakfast with a half a teaspoon of ghee, which is clarified butter, unsalted. Along with this breakfast, if you wish, you can take a cup of tea. Moving on to meal number 2, which is midday snack. If you are a working professional or student, please try to prep it up, this snack, in order to avoid any unwanted mindless snacking outside, which will ruin the whole process of weight loss journey, and that will set you back, which you don't want to happen. So try to pack it in your bag. Mid snack will be somewhere around 10 to 10:30, and the options are 1 apple or 2 small oranges or 2 kiwis. That's it. This will keep you full till your lunch and your metabolism up. Please do not go for any exotic fruits thinking that that will benefit you. No. Whatever is locally available to you, please go for that, and that is the best option. Moving on to meal number 3, which is the lunch. For lunch, I'm going to have a bowl of white rice with lentils, that is dal, and vegetable salad. Nothing fancy, yet combines all the healthy nutrients that we need in a day. So lunch will be between 12:30 to 1:30 and no later than 2 p.m. I'll soon post a video on how to make rice and dal or lentil for those who don't know. Next one is meal number 4, midday snack number 2. This will be between 4 to 4:30. So options are, you can take a cup of green tea. I'll post a video on how to make a green tea, not the ones that we get in the stores, but something which we can make ourselves and will be more effective for weight loss. But I'll post the videos really soon. Along with the green tea, we can have a handful of roasted peanuts or makhana, or 4 to 6 almonds, or a mix of dry fruits. Only handful, not more than that. For dinner, we will have paneer salad. You can also use tofu or grilled chicken instead of paneer. And the link is down below in the description box. For all the meals, I'm providing the link in the description box. You can follow that. Dinner should be done somewhere between 6 to 7 p.m. or at the max before 8 p.m. and that's it, no later than that. And next one up is meal number 5, snack number 3. This is completely optional. Only if you feel hungry by bedtime, which is like 9:30 or 10. Here are some options that you can go for. You can take a cup of 0% fat milk, 0% fat milk, or almond milk with a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of chia seeds or flax seeds. That's all, and you're done for the day. You should go to bed by 10 p.m. every day and try to make it a habit, and try to get 8 hours of sleep, which is really required. I think that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, then please support my channel and shower your love. Go ahead, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos on weight loss. This is Sowbhagya. See you later, and remember, you can make a difference. Thank you. Bye.